Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Diana here, and today we're continuing our exciting series on must-know English phrases to instantly boost your fluency. In our last video, we covered 20 essential phrases that help you sound more natural in everyday conversations. If you missed it, don't worry. The link to the first episode is in the description below. Make sure to check it out for more tips on enhancing your English skills. In today's video, we're diving into more common English phrases that can give your fluency an instant boost. Plus, I'll be sharing some useful tips and practices to help you improve your English speaking. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. It's very kind of you. Use this phrase to show gratitude when someone does something nice for you. It's a polite and sincere way to express thanks. This phrase is appropriate in both formal and informal settings, whether someone is helping you at work or offering a kind gesture in a personal situation. Examples. It's very kind of you to help me with my project. It's very kind of you to think of me on my birthday.
Oh, that's very kind of you. Very kind.
It's very kind of you to say.
Thank you in advance. This is a great way to show appreciation for something someone will do for you in the future. It sets a positive tone and expresses trust in their willingness to help. Use this phrase in professional emails, requests for assistance, or any situation where you're asking for a favor. Examples. Thank you in advance for reviewing my report. Thank you in advance for helping me with the event setup.
Dear Santa, thank you in advance.
Thank you in advance for your patience.
No worries. This phrase is a laid-back way to say, it's okay or don't worry about it. It's perfect for keeping conversations light and stress-free. Use it when someone apologizes to you or expresses concern about a minor issue. Examples. No worries, I can handle it. No worries, we can reschedule our meeting.
Everything's all no worries, no worries.
No worries, Penguin. No worries.
What's going on? Use this phrase to ask about the current situation or to express surprise at an unexpected event. It can be used in a variety of contexts, such as when you arrive at a scene where something unusual is happening, or when you want to check in on someone's status. Examples. What's going on here? I heard a lot of noise. What's going on with the project? I haven't received any updates.
What's going on? What's going on?
Boy, what's going on?
What's going on?
Did I get you right? This phrase is useful for confirming that you understood what someone said correctly. It's important in both professional and casual conversations to ensure clarity and prevent misunderstandings. Examples. Did I get you right? You need the report by Friday. Did I get you right? We're meeting at 3 p.m. tomorrow?
Did I get that right?
Did I get it right?
And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found new phrases helpful in boosting your English fluency. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these phrases into your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. We have more exciting videos coming your way, including some fun tips on improving your English accent. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.